Good morning, students. I wish you and your family members are doing safe. And I also hope that you all did your last week work. So, students, last week we have completed number name up to 700. Okay, students. Now, in this week, we will continue with number name 2. So, let's get start. Students, as you know, from last 1 month, we will continue with number name. Right? So, students, up to 999, there is a 3 digits. Okay? So, this 9 is at 1's place, this 9 is at 10's place, and this 9 is at 100 place. Okay? So, students, अब तक हम कैसे लिख रहे हैं as of now, how we write it? Take another example. Suppose it is 2, 3, 1. This one is at 1's place, this 3 is at 10's place, and this 2 is at 100 place. So how we write it? Yes, we write it 2. After 2, we write 2 is at 100 position. So we write 200. And these 2 digit as a together. Put and write these 2 digit as a together. Yes, it's 31. Okay, students. In this week, we are going to do number name from 701 to 900. So take an example. Suppose 785. So how to write it? These 5 is at 1's place, this 8 is at 10's place, and this 7 is at 100 place. So students, how to write it? Yes, write this 7 as an individual number, 7. This 7 is at 100 place, so write 100. And after this, put and write these 2 digit as a together. That is 85. 85. Okay, students. So, students, in this week, we will be going to do number name from 701 to 900. So students, on day 1, that is on 24th May 2021, that is Monday, you have to do, or you have to write number name from 701 to 800 in your math fair notebook. स्टूडेंट्स, मैम वॉन्ट्स टू से डैट कि आपको डे 1 में आपको रीराइट करना है नंबर नेम 701 to 800 अपनी मैथ फेयर नोटबुक में. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस स्लाइड स्टूडेंट विच इज सीन इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू, in this slide number name is up to 750. स्टूडेंट्स, जो आपके सामने स्क्रीन पे जो स्लाइड दिख रही है, इसमें नंबर नेम है 750 तक. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट. And in this slide, number name is from 751 to 800. Okay students, take a screenshot of this slide also, or stop the play button. आप play button को stop करके भी इसको rewrite कर सकते हैं. Now students, on day 2, that is on 25th May 2021, you have to write down the number name in your fair notebook from 801 to 900. Okay students, but in this slide which is seen in front of you, here number name is up to 850. So students, take a screenshot or stop the play button of the video. Students, you have to write these number name in your fair notebook with neat and clean handwriting. Work should be neat and clean. And in the second slide which is seen in front of you, in this slide number name is from 851 to 900. Take a screenshot of these number name or stop the play button. Student, one more thing, ma'am provided these number name in your worksheet also. You go through the worksheet and write down from there also. Now student, day 3rd, 4th and 5th and 6th homework is mentioned in the worksheet. Students, day 3, 4, 5 and 6 का homework आपकी worksheet में mention है. So you have to check the worksheet. And students, you have to do each and every day work properly and do revision of each day work. And main important point of this week is that students, ma'am provide a Google form test link in your worksheet. That test is based on the previous work revision work, previous week revision work. Okay students, मैम ने जो आपको प्रीवियस वीक रिवीजन वर्क दिया था उसके बेस पे मैम ने आपको बोला था ना, यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर दीज रिवीजन वर्क फॉर अ नेक्स्ट वीक टेस्ट. सो दैट लिंक इज ऑन based on that revision work. Okay students, so students, at the end success is the result of hard work. Okay students, if you do hard work then you achieve success in each and every field, as I told you earlier also. So students, stay safe, healthy and at home. Thanks students, take care, bye bye.